Were you recently in a whiplash car accident or had a slip and fall on the ice, or you were in a sports trauma or had a blunt trauma that affected your neck, and since that trauma you've had foggy headedness, you feel out of balance, your neck has pressure at the base of the skull, you have pain between the shoulder blades, your jaws become tight and your jaw is cracking, you're having headaches, your energy is lower, you have sleeping trouble, you're feeling a little depressed. If you're suffering with these types of problems, they often are a result of this top vertebra that holds the head up, called the atlas, being structurally misaligned, out of balance, irritating the central nervous system. If you end up in a medical facility, basically they're going to ask you what your symptoms are, ask you about your history, and then instead of getting to the root problem, generally speaking, they're going to give you a medication that'll treat the symptom. But if you want to get to the root cause, you need to get to an upper cervical chiropractor who specializes in finding out which vertebra in the upper neck is misaligned, what direction it's misaligned, and then most importantly, knowing how to deliver the right force to get it free of the spinal cord so your central nervous system can function the way that it was intended to, and the underlying cause of why you have these problems is removed, which then allows the body to heal itself. So if you're dealing with some of the problems that I talked about and you recently have connected it to a whiplash type trauma, or you have these types of problems and you remember it starting after some trauma that you had long ago, do yourself a favor, get into Upper Cervical Chiropractic office. We're located in Sarasota, Florida. If you're outside of the Florida area, just Google Upper Cervical Chiropractor near me.